Hey guys, it's Steve Lamoth here at Elevate Realty Group, and today we're going to answer the question, what should I do if I can't make my mortgage payment, or if your finances are really tight and you're worried about in the future making your mortgage payment. So I know that many of you have friends, family, and coworkers who might be struggling, and my job is to educate you on the process so you can go out and educate those around you. And so there's this word that's flowing around right now called forbearance. And we did a webinar on this a month ago, and I wanted to go over it again as people start to become challenged financially or they can't make their payments. Now, forbearance is not forgiveness. We've been saying this consistently for 60 days. The last thing that you want to not pay is your mortgage, right? Start with your car payment, start with your credit cards, start with your utilities. Almost every single bill that I get has an option to delay payment or ask for a discount. So start everywhere else first before not paying your largest asset and probably your most valuable from an equity position. So first and foremost, start with your house last. But if someone you know needs to miss a mortgage payment or needs time, they need to call their servicer. And that's going to be the people who send you your statement every month, which would be Mr. Cooper or Wells Fargo or Freedom Mortgage. Your servicer is going to have a whole team and a department that actually knows the process. So start there. Let them know that you financially are impacted from COVID. The federal government released guidelines that you can get 12 months of forbearance. Now, if your servicer is going to provide that, I don't know. You need to call them. But forbearance is not forgiveness, meaning if your mortgage payment is $1,000 a month and they give you 3 months of forbearance, you will owe $3,000 at the end of the forbearance plus your mortgage payment for that month. So all you're doing is delaying the time period while you're unemployed or while your hours are reduced, and it's giving you that time so you can stack up your money and get your income back. The challenge is you're still going to owe that money in 3 months or 6 months whenever that time comes due. So forbearance is a tough thing because you're going to have this huge chunk of money due. So please make sure people understand that. Another option would be a modification. Now this impacts your credit, so be aware, and it's important to understand, and they'll go over this with you. Your servicer will go over this with you. Modification actually changes your payment. So if your current payment is $1,000 a month, they could possibly reduce it to $800 a month to help you financially. And so you need to be very clear on your options, whether you take forbearance or modification. There are huge ramifications to them. Don't just stop making your mortgage payment. This is super important. There are a lot of options out there to you from the servicers and from the federal government. The first thing is file for unemployment. If your hours are cut back or your income is impacted, file for unemployment. Reach out to us if you need help. We have great resources and guidelines. So I wanted to make sure I educated you on forbearance and modifications. If you have someone that's impacted and can't make their mortgage payment, have them reach out to us. We'll help them for free. We'll give them as many resources as we can. The market currently is in great shape still. Inventory is extremely low, although we have seen more and more homes coming to market. We are still safely selling real estate, offering virtual meetings, virtual tours, pre-screen showings if you're selling your home. It's a great time if you are considering selling your home. Inventory is low. We're still seeing multiple offers on over half of the homes that we list. If you need anything, call me personally at 916-862-5463 or visit our website at homesbyelevate.com. For all you moms out there, I hope you had a great Mother's Day. Thanks so much for watching our video.